Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and today I'm thrilled to unveil the crown jewel of the Vanderbilt fleet. This pontoon boat stands alone for entertaining and lounging with its unique extended floor plan and exclusive dual bar in the rear. Complete with a one-of-a-kind lighting package and a high-performance twin outboard design, delivers an unrivaled experience that will leave a lasting impression. It's an experience that transcends expectations, setting a new standard for those who demand the very best. The luxury of Vanderbilt pontoons doesn't stop here. Here's Chase Olson, our dedicated senior research and development specialist, is here to elevate your journey even further.
Hey everyone, I'm Chase Olson, Senior R&D Specialist for Vanderbilt Luxury Pontoons, and I'm excited to introduce to you the new flagship model, 31 feet long, 9 feet wide, and I just want to take a couple of minutes to show you some of our favorite features on this boat. So up front, we have additional front storage on both sides. And as we move inside the boat, on all of our loungers, we have straight lift hinges, as opposed to the barrel cranks that leave the seat out in front of you and you're forced to climb over. We have two stainless steel RGB lit cup holders in each recess, along with wireless charging pad. We have additional storage in the face of every couch. So on our armrest, we have this aluminum billet hinge, adding additional strength and durability. We also have some convenient and additional storage down here inside of the helm. So another nice feature we have is this full wraparound glass windshield with chrome accent on the top. The helm is 100% fiberglass, comes with LED accent lighting throughout, stainless steel lighted cup holder, wood grain accents. So here at the dash, so this is our 4-zone ITC RGB lighting, and it's broken down into 4 zones, giving you the ability to control the interior color, the exterior color, and your aft bar color all independently from one another or at the same time. So here we have the Medallion Viper 2 12-inch screen. It comes with our digital switching, giving you the ability to control everything in the boat with the touch of a button. It also is the ability to control all of your music, so your FM, your Bluetooth, any aux cord. We have a Suzuki C10 engine monitor, and this is our heads-up display for our Optimus hybrid steering system. The Dometic Optimus steering system comes complete with 2 power assist pumps, giving you the ability to control each engine independently. This is our Italian leather-wrapped steering wheel from Isotta, and it comes complete with this heads-up button control, providing additional redundancy from your touchscreen up front, giving the ability to control from back here. And at the captain and co-captain station, we have high-back Ultralux helm chairs, complete with sliders, swivel, and adjustable height. To provide more space, we have a convenient flip-up table. Here we have our in-floor storage locker, and it does come with a bilge pump. Great for storing skis, great for storing any of your belongings. One of the things I'd like to talk about is obviously the stereo. I think that's a huge component of being out on the water. So this particular stereo system is a 2,000 watt amp. It comes with 6 6.5-inch Fusion speakers and a 10-inch sub up front. All the 6-inch speakers are down here loaded in the toe kick. We have 2 up front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back, and the sub is mounted in the front side of the helm. And these rear loungers come with the same great features as the front loungers. That includes the stainless steel RGB lighted cup holders and the wireless charging pads in both. And over on the port side in the front of this rear lounger, we have this smart battery charging system. It comes with these 2 VSRs carrying the alternating voltage from the engines, isolating the weakest battery within this 3 battery system and applying the charge to that battery first. And here in the straight base, hold both of your engine batteries. So we have one battery for each engine on the boat. So another really cool feature I'd like to show you guys is this really neat bar section in the back. Comes with 4 adjustable bar stools, LED accent lighting all around the perimeter of this tabletop, LED cup holders, and fully adjustable height from top to bottom. And the bars are also paired with this lovely stainless steel, 2 gates in the rear giving you better access at the back of the boat than traditionally. And here in the back, our stainless steel ski tow bar for all of your towing needs. And this over here is our large, easy to deploy bimini, giving you that coverage out in the sun when you need to stay cool. So here on the outside of this Vanderbilt, Some interesting features that we have are this carbon fiber dock light assembly, and it comes with these dock lights that have RGBs built into them as well. You have this perforated mesh good, fully anodized with backlighting at the top and the bottom. Again, fully adjustable with our ITC controller at the dash. And here are these really convenient, quick release fender holders on all four corners of the boat, keeping your boat from getting all beat up at the dock. And at all four corners, we have these really convenient flip-up cleats that you can stow away so they don't act as a toe stubber. And surrounding the entire perimeter of our deck is this black anodized rub rail that has no cosmetic caps or fillers or covers to hide blemishes that happen during this bend process. And a really cool look we just started offering this year comes complete with Vantage Wrap pontoon guard. This pontoon has these and many other luxurious features to make your summer one to remember. To learn more about this pontoon, visit vanderbiltpontoons.com and locate your local dealer.